This is number, I think it's 69, Part B. So I'm assuming that you understood Part A, and I think it might have even referred to a previous question. Email me. Actually, I'm leaving about 35 minutes here. So email me, and I may have to get it to it over the weekend before Monday if you had questions on the earlier parts. Okay, so what I gather was the test statistic, or T, was 2.409, and the degree of freedom is 44. Oh, I don't want to say this too. You're not going to have to use the table on the test, but I think it's beneficial for stats students to look at how the tables were used. Okay, so degree of freedom is 44. And so here's what you do with this. You make sure, and I hope you can see my pen down at the bottom of the screen, you always round down to what's called the more conservative estimate. So even if it's 48, you go down to 40. Again, calculator, you don't have to worry about this. And what did I say? 2.409. So I'm trying to go down the 40 row here, Brooke. If I don't do it very well, I'm sorry. But it looks like this one right here, the 2.123 and the 2.423 is bigger. So 2.409 is in between these two. And then if you go up, our p-value is between 0.02 and 0.01. Now, again, we never, if you've noticed this, and some students don't, some great students don't notice this, we never really care about what the p-value is. All we care is how does it compare to alpha? How does it compare to our threshold? So for the answer to this question, we get between 0.02 and 0.01. Let me turn back to 69. The calculator should have gotten you 0.0101. And so that number is between those two numbers. So I'm just checking to see that the calculator p-value is in the same interval as what we got as our answer. Because remember, all you care about is the threshold, right? Okay, so I don't know if this was a 0.05. Probably should have read the question better before I made this video, but it's too late now. And they just said, no, they just said find the p-value. So your answer is between 0.01 and 0.02. Hope that helps.